Let's talk about the 4 things that happen when we sleep. Good quality sleep is so extremely important. Actually, research is showing that it's right up there with exercise and nutrition, sleep for a lifestyle of longevity and a good quality of life. That's what we all want. So number 1, when you sleep and when you get good quality sleep, it's your tissue, your cellular repair and anti-aging things are going on. So at a cellular level, the cells are repairing themselves, muscle tissues repairing himself. Also, growth hormone is released at that time, and then your hair, skin, and nails all related to that. So this is the time your body is repairing. And it's very much needed in that different stages of sleep. Different things happen, of course, and we'll talk more about that in just a minute. Number 2 is brain health, which is cognitive health. What happens when you sleep, and especially in the deep sleep stage, which my watch is great because if I wear it when I sleep, and occasionally I do, well, actually almost every night, because I want to know how much deep sleep I'm getting, trying to increase that. That's the time that your brain repairs. It releases toxins out of your brain, which can help reduce your susceptibility to cognitive decline or dementia or other things like that. So you want your body to clear itself of those toxins, and that happens in the deep sleep stage. So that's number 2. Number 3 is actually hormones are released and weight loss. So let's talk about that just a minute. When you sleep, hormones are released. So cortisol is one. That's what we call the stress hormone. So you want to get enough sleep to control that. And then the ghrelin and leptin are hunger signals, hormones to hunger, signal hunger. So we want to keep those in level 2 and not get those out of balance. So that's what sleep does. It releases those hormones that can signal different stress or your hunger. So it controls the metabolism. So you want to make sure you get good sleep to decrease your risk of weight gain, actually. It can happen. Last but not least is support your immune system. Very important. Sleep, just as like I said earlier, garbage truck coming in, cleaning everything out, and driving off with the toxins and leaving your body and your cells and your brain and your immune system in a better state than it was in before. So sleep, everyone, is non-negotiable. So you want to think of sleep as non-negotiable if you want your future self to have a healthy, happy, longevity lifestyle of longevity. Sleep is extremely important. So it is non-negotiable. It's right up there with exercise and nutrition. Get your room cool. Turn off the screens an hour or 2, I'd say 2 hours before sleep, and enjoy a good night's sleep. See you next time.